Students, as earlier discussed about the Nernst equation, for this, here you can see I always designated all, that is E naught oxidation potential is equal to standard oxidation potential, E naught Rp is equal to standard reduction potential, R is the universal gas constant, T is the temperature in Kelvin, N is the number of mole of electron taking part in oxidation or reduction. Now OS is the concentration of oxidized state in solution and RS is the concentration of reduced state in the solution. Students, Nernst equation can also be written as E oxidation potential is equal to E reduction potential minus 2.303 RT by NF log base 10 oxidized state upon reduced state. How it came? As student, log base E is equal to 2.303 log base 10. Okay, so you can correlate it with our earlier equation. Earlier equation was simply E naught reduction potential is equal to E naught reduction potential plus RT upon NF log base E. So we have just taken the value of log base E as 2.303 log base 10. Okay, and put that here in this equation. Now students, as the calculated value of 2.303 RT by F is following: at 25 degrees Celsius, that is 298 Kelvin, it is 0.058. At 30 degrees Celsius, that is 303 Kelvin, it is 0.059. And at 35 degrees Celsius, that is 308 Kelvin, it is 0.060. So taking 0.059 as standard value and keeping this value in the equation, we get E oxidation potential is equal to E naught oxidation potential minus 0.059 by N log base 10 oxidized state upon reduced state. Similar will be the case for reduction potential, that is E reduction potential will be equal to E naught reduction potential, that is standard reduction potential, plus 0.059 by N log base 10 oxidized state upon reduced state. Students, just pay attention to these equations, because in your exams questions will be asked and you have to calculate the values by expressing them in this form. Okay, how you can calculate it? Suppose there is a general equation where a metal is gaining electron, okay, and it is converting to Mn plus by losing electron. Okay, so what happened there? The E oxidation potential is equal to E naught oxidation potential minus 0.059 by N log base 10, and here as it is oxidized state, so at above you will take, for oxidized state value you will take Mn plus, okay, and for reduced state you will take N. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the questions. Okay, suppose a general question, here you can assume it as suppose H2 is just converting into 2H plus 2 electron. Okay, so for this what will happen? Equation will be general, okay, as earlier it was, that is E oxidation potential is equal to E naught oxidation potential. What else we have to write? Where we have to pay attention is basically that is equal to minus 0.59 by N log 10, and basically the oxidized state will be H plus and its concentration is 2, and here is the H2. Okay, this is the oxidized state and this is the reduced state. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the question. If not clear, I will later discuss some questions related to this topic. Okay.